Okay, this next part is going to be real quick and simple. Just going to show you how to drag stuff into your video, or I should say add stuff to your video, and how to select something that you want to change. Alright, to add something to your video, go up here to this box, click on it, you drag it until it reaches down here. And the little lane, it'll light up to let you know that's where it's been dragged to. If you want to select something that you want to make changes to, just click on that and this white outline will appear around it. That means you can make changes to it. So one more time, you want to add something to your video, go here, click on it, drag it down till this area down here lights up, let it go. And you want to select something that you want to make changes to, click on it, and it will light up with a white outline around it. Alright, see you in the next part.